Hey people, so today I'm doing a movie review and I'm so lucky that I have this one of my most favorite cutest people I know doing the video for me, this little 10-year-old named Minnie, and she's our neighbor here. And this movie that I'm going to review today is called Almost Pyar by DJ Mohabbat. Yeah, it is a Anurag Kashyap film and it stars Alaya F and among so many other stars. Now, any movie that is released on Netflix has to necessarily be of a certain standard for it to release. So that itself tells you that this is a movie worth watching if you like movies that basically sit and make you cry. And we have we have a celebrity guest with us here. Sure. This sorry. The video the video that had this little guy rescuing missing has got one of the highest views on our channel in the recent past. So Anmiko, what have you named this little guy?
Daisy.
Daisy. And Anmiko, what is the best part of keeping a kitten?
It's easier to train than dogs, but I'm a dog lover. And they're a bit easier to manage because you don't have to give them walks, walks, and it's so adorable.
Yes. So, in fact, would you, for all the people who are watching our channel, would you recommend keeping a cat as a pet? Which actually I've got impressed by this little girl in these past 2 days only. So, what is your opinion, Anviku? Do you think you should